Israel kills 1 in Jewish dozens in Gaza protest. Turkey and US hold 7th joint helicopter flight over Syria. Turkey dissatisfied with state of Syria safe zone FM. UN Human Rights Chief urged Egypt to respect protesters. US sending 200 troops to Saudi Arabia. US says Syrian regime used chlorine in May attack. Trump says Iran wanted sanctions lifted to meet. Largest mosque in West Africa opens in Senegal. Somali rights advocate nominated for Nobel Peace Prize. Iran's president meets Indian PM in New York. India objects to China UN comments on Kashmir. India, Khan remarks on Kashmir, not statements like